This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter replacement. Open the driver's side door and pull the hood release lever located by the kick panel. Pull the hood safety latch forward, then raise the hood. Loosen the air filter housing fresh air duct clamp, then separate the duct from the top cover. Loosen the filter housing top cover mounting screws. Use a magnet or needle nose pliers to remove the mounting screws from the top cover. Slide the cover toward the front of the vehicle, then lift the cover up and out. Remove the filter from the housing. Clean out the air filter housing before installing the new filter. Install the filter into the housing, making sure it is seated evenly. Install the filter housing cover to the housing, then the air filter housing fresh air duct onto the air filter housing and tighten the clamp securely. Reinstall the filter housing cover mounting screws and tighten them securely.